Hello friends, how are you my YouTube family members? Welcome to my YouTube channel Greenhouse. I hope all of you are good. Today I am going to show you various ideas for beautiful garden. Here are multiple designs that you can apply to beautify your balcony, porch, or yard. Splashes of color break up grain, provide variety, contrast, and focal points. Try sowing both annuals and perennial flowers, e.g. cosmos, sunflowers, and marigolds. Flowers have an amazing ability to beautify any space. Just pick your favorite color theme. Create a collection of plants with the same flower color for greater impact. Theming an area of your garden by clever use of color is an easy trick to use. My dear friends, I always try to bring very useful and updated content for you. If you like my video,
Designing a beautiful garden involves careful planning, creativity, and a harmonious blend of various elements. Here is a detailed guide on how to design a beautiful garden. Define your goals. Determine the purpose of your garden, whether it's for relaxation, entertaining, or growing plants. Site analysis. Assess your garden's location, considering factors like sunlight, soil quality, drainage, and climate. Create a design plan. Sketch your garden layout, taking into account pathways, seating areas, and focal points. Choose a style. Decide on a garden style that reflects your preferences, such as formal, informal, cottage, Japanese, or modern. Select plants. Choose a variety of plants, including trees, shrubs, perennials, and annuals. Consider their color, size, and seasonal interest.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and